Hi everyone. Today we have a best WPP9IQT 4.8 SB range hood. And what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to go over where all the major components are in this hood: the switch, the lights, the BLDC board, and the electronic assembly location. First thing we need to do is make sure that the power is turned off, and always wear your safety gloves for protection. This unit has an IQ blower system. The IQ blower system has what we call a calibration button. The calibration on this WPP9IQT is located right here underneath this light panel, or when mounted behind the light panel. Here is the instruction telling the installer and the consumer how to do the calibration. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by taking this light panel down. There's two screws, one on the right and one all the way on the left hand side, and I'm going to go ahead and get these screws taken out. Once the screws are taken out, now you have access to the light assemblies. These come out just by squeezing them, and they'll pop out, and they have quick connections. So you can just squeeze on the quick connectors and pull, and they'll come apart. Next, what I want to show is basically where the BLDC driver is that makes these IQ blowers work. There's going to be two screws, so if you ever need to get at them, there's going to be a screw on the left on the stainless steel plate and a screw on the right. And I'm going to go ahead and take these screws out so you can take a look, see what it looks like inside. Once the two screws are removed, this plate will come down. Here is the heat sensor. Just push on connectors. Here is the switch assembly. The switch assembly has two screws, one on the left and one on the right. Switch assembly just comes down, that's all it is, and that is a quick connect, so you can just pull it and there you have the switch assembly. The BLDC board, there's four screws holding this in. There's two on the bottom, two on the top. The electrical assembly is located right here. And there is a screw right here holding electrical assembly, and there'll be a screw on the bottom. Whole electrical assembly comes out. It's all plug and play. Here is the antenna. This unit has a remote control capability, so it's got RF frequency, and again, this is the antenna that makes that remote work with this unit. But it's pretty basic. You can get at everything. It's a good hood to repair. There's not much to it. I hope this helps.